Today, we are taking a practical look at how to back up Android before a reset or phone change. Goal: build a recoverable Android backup before a factory reset, repair, or phone replacement. Android backup is not one single copy. System settings, photos, messages, app data, files, authenticator accounts, and messaging histories can use different mechanisms. The safe approach is to inventory each data type and verify that it can actually be restored. Open Settings, Google Backup, or the equivalent on your device, and check the last successful backup. Open Google Photos or your chosen photo service and verify upload status. Copy important downloads documents to a computer, external storage, or cloud folder. Export or transfer authenticator accounts and save recovery codes. Check messaging apps individually. Use their own backup transfer feature where required. Record eSIM carrier and work profile recovery information. Test the backup by opening files from the destination. Expected result: you can reset or replace the phone knowing where each important data category will come from during restoration. Wi-Fi and enough time for pending uploads. Your Google account password and a second authentication method. A computer, external drive, or cloud destination for local files not covered by Android backup. App-specific passwords or recovery codes where necessary. Google's device backup can preserve supported settings and app data, but app developers control what their apps include. Google Photos is separate from the device backup status. Files manually downloaded to storage may also be separate. That is why backup is not sufficient evidence that everything is protected. Open your photo backup service and verify that synchronization has completed. Check recent photos and large videos specifically. They are often the last items still pending. If memories are irreplaceable, keep a second independent copy on a computer or external drive before a destructive reset. Review downloads, documents, voice recordings, PDFs, exported scans, and files created by editing apps. Some content is visible in a file manager but not included in cloud backup. Copy it explicitly and open random files from the destination to confirm the copy is usable. Do not assume every messaging app is covered by Android system backup. WhatsApp, Signal, and other services have their own transfer and backup rules. Follow the current official instructions for the app you use. Authenticator apps deserve special attention because losing them can block access to the very cloud account that holds your backup. Use the app's supported transfer sync feature where available and store recovery codes somewhere independent of the phone. Check which account owns the contacts. Contacts saved only to the device or SIM may not follow your Google account. Move or export them if needed. Verify calendar events are attached to an online account rather than a local-only calendar. If you rely on a password manager, verify sync and account recovery before resetting. Browser passwords bookmarks should be confirmed in the account's sync settings. Passkeys may sync through your platform account or password manager, but recovery depends on the ecosystem and account security. Do not delete the only device before confirming another sign-in path. Enterprise profiles usually require re-enrollment after a reset. Banking apps may require identity verification. eSIMs may need carrier reactivation. Record the support channels, account numbers, and recovery process in advance so the new or reset device is not your only source of that information. Open recent photos from the cloud web interface or another device. Open documents from the backup destination. Confirm contacts appear in the online account. Confirm you can sign in to the Google account from another trusted device. Verify recovery codes or a second 2FA device. Create a simple list with one line per category: photos, files, contacts, messages, authenticator, passwords, work, eSIM. For each line, write the destination and the date you last verified it. This turns a vague, "I think it is backed up" into a recoverable plan. Google Backup is old. Connect to power and Wi-Fi, start a backup manually if the option is available, and wait for completion. If your photos are important, an additional verified copy is a good idea even when cloud backup is enabled. Open each important service and confirm its last backup sync state rather than relying on one backup screen. Open apps that create recordings, scans, notes, downloads, drawing projects, or offline maps and check whether their files are actually in cloud backup. Messages handled per app. Authenticator recovery code safe. Random restore test passed. The method: backup each data category using the mechanism that actually owns it, then verify the destination before erasing anything. The key principle: backup status is useful, a successful restore test is proof. For more details, read the complete article on the blog.